There comes a moment in every woman's life when the weight of pain feels too heavy to carry. When what once made sense breaks. But what if the breaking isn't the end? What if it's the beginning of your becoming? When pain hits, it doesn't always announce itself with loud thunder. Sometimes it shows up quietly through heartbreak, betrayal, burnout, or silence that lingers too long. You stop recognizing yourself. You question your worth. You wonder if healing is even possible. But, my love, the breaking wasn't meant to destroy you. It was meant to strip away what was never truly you. Healing begins the moment you stop running from your pain. It begins when you let yourself feel fully, honestly, without pretending you're okay. Because every tear that falls is a prayer. Every breath you take after heartbreak is a declaration that I'm still here. You may not see it yet, but God is rebuilding you. Quietly, gently, piece by piece. The same hands that allowed the breaking are now shaping something beautiful within you. Rebuilding after pain isn't about going back to who you were. It's about meeting the woman you're becoming. You're learning boundaries, you're learning truth, you're learning peace. Healing is messy. Some days you'll feel whole, some days you'll fall apart again, but both are sacred. Both are progress. Now I want you to repeat this after me. I am not my pain. I am not what happened to me. I am becoming whole again. My healing is happening now. Even when I can't see it, I choose peace over fear. I trust God's timing for my becoming. Healing isn't a destination. It's a daily surrender. So be gentle with yourself. You are not behind. You are just becoming. If this message spoke to your heart, subscribe to YouRedefined and join our community of women healing and rising together.